There's also trouble in the camp, boys, and it's been bubbling along for a couple of weeks now. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Don't worry. We have a real knob in our little team.
Yeah, Bernie.
No, a real knob of the highest order. Carrying on with real knobbish behaviour.
Bern doesn't even qualify as a real knob.
And he's not in the Melbourne studio.
All right.
He's not in the Adelaide studio.
Well, where is he?
He's in the bloody Perth studio, and it's you, Jim. You are a knob jockey, let me tell you. Last weekend, gather round in Adelaide.
Knob jockey.
Jim thought they put gather round on for Jim. He was over there. He's back in town.
Yeah, I'm back.
Back in town. The king is back. Look at gather round.
Average 45.
With Bluey, the redbacks, all that crap.
Live in the Adelaide Hills.
The Adelaide Oval.
Adelaide Hills.
Adelaide Hills, where I used to live.
Gil was there. Oh, Gilly, we'd sign him up again 3 years.
Gilly.
And then apparently the Premier was very hot. Everyone loved the Premier, so guess who's next to him?
Jim,
the knob jockey's there next to Premier Pete. And then he does all that, right? So we've all had enough.
Then he just took off.
On
the Saturday.
You know where he went?
Yeah.
The Gold Coast hinterland.
He said Adelaide got too big for him. He was getting hassled too much.
Hinterland, wherever that is, for a wedding. And this is when Jim got bigger as a flog. A bigger flog, if you could. Hanging with Carl Stefanovic, right? Oh, Carl was a bit of Michael Clark and Stefanovic back there. Mate, they were carrying on out the front on the lawn. Jim did his hammy.
I heard they were dancing.
Well, actually, star humping. He was humping Carl on the dance floor at one stage. Julia Bishop, Chris Waller. He had no idea who Chris Waller was. And someone said he actually trains Winks.
That's actually true.
Yeah, it was.
That's the only true thing you've said.
So it's the only bloody horse knows, Jim knows, is Winks. So he spent 2 hours with poor old Chris Waller. Oh, why do you train so early? Could Winks win the Golden Slipper? No, you dickhead. Only 2-year-olds win the Golden Slipper. Why couldn't Winks win the Melbourne Cup? Because it can't run that far. So he went
very
on
elegant.
and on
I knew
and on.
very elegant.
Very elegant. And then this week he's over at Crown Towers in Perth, of course.
Yes,
Got to get the honeymoon suite. No Lisa, but he's just up there.
Yes.
Apparently wandered down to the pool. There's poor old Pav.
Super Pav
with a how. He's just sitting there with his family. Jim wanders over for a chat, and they go, piss off, knob. We've seen your behaviour. Then, guess what?
What?
Back to Adelaide. He's going back for the Live Golf.
Oh, yes.
Because he thinks he can play golf and all that. He's going to be hanging with his new mate, Premier Pete, Greg Norman, Phil Manboobs, Mickelson, Cam Smith, fair dinkum, real flog behaviour, Jim. Knob of the year, Jing Brayshaw.
Bill, have you ever thought about it this way, Bill?
What?
That I'm actually the star and they're all coming this way. You ever thought about that?
Oh, no.
You thought about that, Fat?
Not at all.
I haven't thought of it that way, Jim.
While we're talking about dagging,
yes,
I've got tentacles everywhere, so I don't think I miss anything. It's my understanding that there's a DJ, famous one who I hadn't heard of, in Adelaide called Fisher, who was trying to do his thing and was unable to do it because he couldn't separate himself from Bernard Vince. Who was just dry humping Fisher while he's trying to spin the dicks. And eventually...
Spin the dicks. Or the dicks.
Fisher had to push Bernie back into his chair. Physically manhandle him back into the chair.
Bernie?
That is true, the push. But no, he was going past Jim in the golf cart.
Yeah.
So, hey, there's Fisher.